Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add a gender. For example, if you have name and you would like to add gender and after that to add Mr. or Mrs. to your Excel document. For this you have to use a gender IP from your add-ins. How to do this? At first, in Insert tab you need to add add-ins on your ribbon. How to do this? At first you can right click on your button, after that choose Customize the ribbon, and here in the list of commands I will choose, for example, Main tabs. Here I will choose Insert and find here Add-ins and click on Add for adding to the right side of my window. Now I'm not going to click OK as I have already added button. Now when you have this button added, I will click on it and here I will type gender AI. Yes, and it will automatically appear up here. After that I will click on add opposite the file, and after I have added it, I see that such window had appeared in front of me. Now, at first, I have to create the second column, C, that is named like gender. Let me repeat this table for showing you how I did it. I will copy the first column, I will paste it up here. The second column is going to have the name gender and the third Mr. or Mrs. Now I will add gender up here in the second column. For this I will select the required diapason, after that click on continue and start processing the file. After that I can see that all genders were automatically shown in the second column. Now, using if function, I will add Mr. or Mrs. before the name. For this I will type if this cell is equal to male, then in this case please give me Mr. space close quotes, and in other case please give me Mrs. dot space close quotes. Sorry, I forgot to add a cell. Up here I will add this cell and here I will also add this cell. Mr. James, now I will double click and I can see that Nisha is female, Mrs. Nisha. Shea is female, Mrs. Shea. Robert, Mr. Robert. Okay, everything works. Perfect. Use it, have fun, take care. Till the next time. Bye-bye.